Today, we're taking a closer look at a mini PC that's making some very big promises. Tiiny AI, a US-based startup, has unveiled what it calls the Pocket Lab, a device designed to bring large language models straight into your pocket. And despite its size, this thing packs hardware that rivals full desktop AI workstations. At first glance, the Pocket Lab looks more like a portable power bank than a high-performance computer. But according to Tiiny AI, it's the world's smallest mini PC capable of running 100 billion parameter LLMs locally, a claim they say is certified by Guinness World Records. The category may sound oddly specific, but there's no arguing the scale. This tiny machine measures just 14.2 by 8 by 2.5 centimeters and weighs only 300 grams. That's lighter than most smartphones in heavy-duty cases. Under the hood, the Pocket Lab isn't just compact, it's surprisingly powerful. It's equipped with a 12-core ARMv9.2 processor and a dedicated NPU rated for 160 trillion operations per second. Add in an extra 30 TOPS from its secondary DNPU, and you're looking at 190 TOPS of combined AI compute. Memory is even more impressive. 80 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, with 48 gigabytes reserved exclusively for the neural processing unit. For storage, you get a 1 terabyte SSD, all running within a 65-watt power envelope. Tiiny AI says the Pocket Lab supports one-click installation for many of the most popular open-source models, including Llama, Qwen, DeepSeek, Mistral, Phi, and OpenAI's GPT-OSS. The company also promises regular over-the-air software updates, aiming to keep the device fresh without requiring manual tweaking. But here's where things get bold. Tiiny AI claims the Pocket Lab can handle models up to 120 billion parameters. Now, in theory, that might be possible with extremely aggressive quantization, but with just 80 gigabytes of total RAM, that claim will need real-world testing before anyone can take it at face value. On paper, it's ambitious, maybe even too ambitious. Pricing is still under wraps, but there's no doubt this device is aimed at enthusiasts who want fully offline, personal LLMs. For everyday users who don't need on-device AI superpowers, a more conventional mini PC like the Mistral AI X1 Pro will likely offer better value and broader use cases. Still, whether it's a niche product or the beginning of a new wave of pocket-sized AI hardware, the Pocket Lab is one of the most intriguing mini PCs to surface this year. If Tiiny AI delivers on even half of what it's promising, this could mark a major shift in how we run and access AI models locally. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the newest innovations in AI and computing.